No. One pickup only.
哎，你在哪儿呢
One pickup only.
？Yeah，
All right. One pickup only.
我在这个
It's not my fault. It's not my
在
fault.
麦当劳对面啊。啊，你在哪儿？
I cancel. I'm waiting for 5 minutes and another
Wait,
one.
wait, wait.
pickup.
He's coming. Just go with us together. Why? It's so long distance.
No, because the policy is one pickup only, and the waiting time is almost 5 minutes. The policy is one pickup only.
No, not 5 minutes. It's 4 minutes.
4 minutes and another one pickup. It's not the Grab is one pickup only, right?
No.
I cancel it
Okay. We can go. Let's go. Hello.
because it's okay if you here, but
那
it's
算了
not
算了，
here.
我下来，我们重新打车吧。这家伙，非要cancel掉。哎，你在哪儿呢？喂，老乡。哎呀
Because it.
，OK cancel。
Go.
잠시만.
Gusto nila mag-pick up pa ng isa na malayo. Mga Chinese na to eh. Nakaka-high blood eh. Pinapapunta pa ako sa malayo. Tapos pinag-aantay ako ng matagal doon. No waiting doon. Pinag-aantay ako ng matagal. Pero ulo ba siya? Yung mga Chinese na to, nakakabwisit eh. Papapick upin ako doon sa ibang area. Cancel ko nga. Ano siya, swerte. Kaya sa mga Chinese dyan, mga ano yan, mga walang manners yan.